Hey guys, welcome back to DELISH. Today we got 4 sandwiches we're going to be doing for you in my series called Sandwich Fest: the Texas Toast, Tuna Melt, the Smash Burger, Tuna Dog, and the classic, the Cheeseburger. Now guess what? We're going to get these rocking and rolling. Right, really fine for my Smash Burger. So we're gonna chop that up really fine. Once we're done with that, we'll put that aside. I'll put this onto my plate and keep all of my Smash Burger stuff on one plate. Keep it organized on one side so I can know which one goes where. Now our tomatoes, we need to cut those up. Thin, not too thick, but thinly sliced. That will be not thicker than our burger, because that would not be good to cut our slices to our burger. That's not what you want. Chop up your parsley. I'm gonna cut it finely. Chop them nice and neat. Now our celery. We're slicing like this because this is for our tuna melt. Lightly chop it really fine. Let's add our seasoning. Put in our salt. That's gonna be a half a teaspoon of salt. If you don't like that much salt in your food, just put in a quarter. Now next we'll have our paprika. That's another quarter teaspoon. All right. And the next thing we have is our bay leaves, another quarter teaspoon. I like oregano, bay leaves, and all of those. I love those. Red pepper flakes. Now, if you don't want this, I'm doing this because I want a little spike in it. That's why I'm doing it. I want a little bit of a kick in it. You don't have to put that in there if you don't want. And last but not least, we have to put the allspice in there. Get a nice handful of it. Nice and round. Add a little bit more. Now you don't want it to be too big because once you smash them out for the cheeseburger or the smash burger, you don't want it to be you don't want it to be too big. So I'm taking my time here. Nice brown ball. One. Add another. And the seasonings in here are gonna come through. I can smell them right now. You can smell it coming through. So when you smash these, you want to smash within the first 15 seconds so you can keep the juices, so you do not get rid of any of the juices in the burger. So do not smash it after that. I would say wait within the first 15 seconds to it, because you want those juices to stay in there. Got 3 of those, and our 4th one. Of the same size, and I'm going to continue doing this. Let's go with half of a cup of mayo in there. You can put as much as you would like. Now let's put in a teaspoon of mustard. And of course, a teaspoon of BBQ sauce. Now let's gently work that together. And this is going to be our sauce that I'm going to put on my smash burger. So it's going to have its own special sauce, and I'm going to also put this on my cheeseburger potentially. Let's go ahead and put this into my bottle. So we can put it onto our burger. Put in 3 cans of tuna. And I've already cut them out. Already put them onto the can opener. So I won't bore you guys with that. And the 3rd can here. Now we have to put in 1.5 cup of mayo. You could add more if you want, but this depends on how wet you really want this to be. And next is our celery. Got a 1/4 cup of celery. I'm not going to use all of this. I'm just going to put in a little bit. That's 1 teaspoon. Black pepper. It's a 1/4 teaspoon. I'm going to use all that. Cheese. Put some of the cheese on. I'm going to put some of it on there later. And that, I'll put a 1/4 teaspoon of that. I just grated cheese. Salt. You could decide if you want salt on this because the mayo already has salt in there. So if you want to put salt, you can. I'm just going to put a pinch of salt. So a little bit, 1/4 cup of that. And our lime juice is 2 teaspoons of lime juice. Now let's go ahead and mix it up. Make sure all that cheese, and the reason I put cheese in there because I love cheese. Cheese is so yummy. Now I'm gonna have that mixed up. And the parsley in there, great smell already. So let's go ahead and toast our bun and let's turn it up to 300 degrees. This is the E-Series Blackstone grill. So I'm gonna let that come to temp. But meanwhile, I'm gonna go ahead and put on the butter on my brioche buns. I do have regular buns, but I'm gonna put those on there. Put the butter on there, and I'm just gonna layer it on the grill. Griddle. It is a grill, but it's a griddle. If you have one of these, just say it in the comments down below to let me know that you have one. These are pretty cool. I like them. So what I'm gonna do is butter this up. I'm gonna put my hot dogs, toast those in my air fryer. I have quite a bit of them, so I'm gonna put those on there real quick. Got the butter on there now. You can hear that sizzle sound. There's the base. Got 6 of those on there. And I can put my hot dog on here. I can do that too. Take them off of there. Let's open up. Not nice the ones that I cut in the middle. You have to go put them on our plate over here. Ooh, look really nice. The hot dogs. Wow. Wow. Beautiful. Look really good. Texas toast are now on there. All of our buns are nice up, along with the rest of my brioche buns. 350 degrees. Yep, they are. So now let's go ahead and get our burgers ready. Burgers on the grill, let's smash that down. Press down on it. Got a spatula here too to be able to move and free it up. You can also put butter on there. Or use something that's heavier, or use parchment paper, but I just use a spatula and press right down on that. Now let's flip it over. Fresh on this side. Ooh, looking good. Flip them. And I got them really flat. If you don't want to press them anymore, this is where you want them to be at this point. And you just keep on putting them. So that's a flat cheese in there. And that. Now let's put in our tuna. Cool. Put in that tuna. And I know you're not supposed to do this, but I'm gonna put lettuce on this. A little bit of lettuce, and I like to say lettuce. Alright, that's how I make my tuna melt. Put a little more on top of there. Add that cheese that I had earlier. Oh goodness. It's a good looking sandwich. Now, put that on top. My tuna does take a bite of this. And you know it's already toasted it. Put some tuna, just a little bit of tuna first. That's what I'm gonna do. Have a little bit of cheese. I'm gonna sprinkle a little bit of cheese on there. Now that green onion. A little bit of that. Some lettuce again. Lettuce. Of course, slaughter that tuna in there. Or a tuna dog. Take a taste of that tuna dog. Good. We'll do next one. Now, cheeseburger time. Get some mustard on there. Get some ketchup. A double cheese burger stacked with cheese. Double. Put that on there. No, whoop. Put a little lettuce. I know some of you don't do this, but I do. Put on some more ketchup. One more patty with cheese. Put that in there. Look at that bad boy. How about that? Whee! It's good. Now let's get the smash burger in here. Start out again. And I'm going to start with ketchup. Start with the sauce. So you're just going to put it in here. Both sides. Rest that right there. Put on my lettuce, on there. Let's get our first patty on here. And these are those big honking patties. Put my first patty on there. Put some more of that sauce. Yes. Now let's put a tomato. Put in a tomato. One more. Those big honking patties. Oh yeah. Now I got my sauce and some lettuce. Get some little chopped up lettuce. I didn't put onions. If you want to put onions, you can. Put one more of those. This is probably the tallest one you're gonna ever see. Put that right there. And one more patty on top of that bad boy. A big one at the top. Oh yeah. and put on our top. Tell me what you think. Look at that. That's a tall smash burger. So guys, remember to like and subscribe. Don't forget to check out the next video right up there.